this pack of HTV STD from Amazon. This is gonna be the flock, man. You know what I'm saying? This show you right here. This 12 sheets of flock. You know what I'm saying? So I got that. Like I say, this is 12 sheets of flock. 12 sheets of flock from Amazon. You know what I'm saying? So they got a couple colors here in the package. You know what I mean? You can see the assortment. There's a couple different colors that come in the pack though. So today I'm gonna be doing a onesie. This is a onesie is from a Vevor wholesale in Houston. A Vevor wholesale, you can look it up. I'll drop the link. But I'm gonna be doing this onesie for Caleb today. This is how it looks. I think I'm gonna use the HTV rod for this one since it's a smaller project. I still got the hat connection on, so I don't know. So I'm going through these colors, and I went through them already, and I kind of decided it's the fall, so I kind of decided. Hold on. So I kind of decided on the two colors I want to go with right here. So for the design I'm doing, it's a little bit risky, but you know what I'm saying? The design I'm doing, like, I'm going to go with these, and hold on. Let's get it cut out. All right. So let's get everything all cut out, and I'm going to let y'all know, and we'll see how it goes from here. You always got to put this shiny side down with this flock, HTV. Just put it down, shiny side down, you stick it on there. Make sure it's real good. That's how I do it. Just rub it on there right quick. Now we're going to do that. We're just going to go ahead and load it in our Cricut Maker. And then all we're going to do is we're going to tap the button right here. And now let it do its work. Now it's ready for the weeding process. The same process with the next color. That means it's complete. So we just go ahead and press that button. Get it on out. Now it's time for the weeding phase. Right, so basically in this phase, we're going to be doing the cutting and the weeding. So what I got here is I got basically a cutter and a Cricut weeder. Whatever you weed with your preferences, you know, there's different shapes of these or different capabilities. So whatever one you prefer, you know what I'm saying? So I just grabbed one for this project, you know what I'm saying, just to show y'all something real quick. So like I say, basic weeder and a nice cutter. And what we do is we got the design cut. I don't know if y'all can see it, but cutting the back of that. You know what I'm saying? So looks like we barely made it with that cut. It's really kind of at the top, man. Bad cut, my bad. Did a bad cut. But this is a demo. So look, also, you know what? Since this is kind of like this small, I'm going to just cut this with the scissors. Yeah, man, I'm trying to do the video, kids in the background. That's life, though. You know what I'm saying? So, anyhow, we're going to do a quick cut like that. Right? And me, what I do is I like to try to get my cuts as precise and clean without without the excess, because me personally, I don't really like the waste, you know what I'm saying, unnecessary vinyl. That's just a me thing. I also try to find, excuse me, I also try to find other creative things to do with my scraps. So I like to also do a lot of designs that have multi-purpose, that I could use inverts or, you know, negatives of that same, and use one cut and turn it into two, you know, for two projects. So it's just something I like to do. So now we just get to the weeding. So what I like to do is I like to grab this, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but I like to get the closest corner by the edge and just start pulling from there. Because normally when you do that, you know, you're able to just wrap around it and just pull the rest off like that. Everything should expose itself. Now, I'm gonna be honest, some of these things do not peel away so clean, like, so, you know, please beware of that, you know, and don't just take this method as a way that's guaranteed to be error-free, because I myself have experienced errors with over trusting the material. You know, different manufacturers, different qualities, and you know that has to say something to mean something. You know what I'm saying? So now what we do is we got that cut out. Like I said, it was a bad cut on my behalf, but I'll see how we could tweak it and make it look good. All right. So here we go with to the other one. Other one came out a lot better, but since this one too, like the other one is rather small, I'll just cut from with the scissors instead, should I say? Excuse me. And like I said, I leave a little bit of slack, but I don't try to leave too much excess, you know, on the vinyl, because like I said, I like to save. I am frugal with my vinyl, you know what I'm saying? So, boom, we got that part cut out like that. And sometimes, you know, we could always use the inverts, like I say. So, and I'll show y'all how that works. If not in this video, definitely another video, I'll show y'all my process on how I do the negatives, you know what I'm saying? So, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna weed this right quick. And like I say, I pull one corner, and normally I get to pull out the rest of the design pretty much problem free without having to restart. But I guess on this one, it's gonna have to try another corner. So, there we go. And like in the comments, like y'all share y'all techniques and what works best with y'all. You know, some of this stuff is no perfect way to do it. I mean, it's really about productivity and your comfortability with getting it done and not feeling pressured to, you know, do your best. Because I know sometimes as artists, creatives, you know, when we feel pressured to do things by a certain standard, it greatly affects the creativity and the work that we're trying to display, man. So, you know, everybody share their ways, and also let us all agree to, you know, not judge or bash anybody because they might do it a little bit differently than we do. Because if we did that, art wouldn't be what it is, right? So, for that one. It's pouring down, raining right now as we speak, man, which is so needed. But I should probably check the weather, because I'm in Houston, Texas, and things can get crazy very fast. Definitely can get crazy very fast. So, we're almost done weeding this one out. Sometimes you gotta use this as life too, you know, weed out the unnecessary pieces, man. Definitely, it's helpful to make the picture better, more visible, more clear. Can't see the design, if you got extra pieces and scraps blocking it. So that's what we have here. Original design, clean cutout. Original design, clean cutout. You know, and this is for Caleb. You know what I'm saying, my son. So this is just a onesie because I'm not feeling like none of the kids' fashion is out right now. So it's like it's frustrating. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this together, and we shall return. Okay, to offset the situation I had with this, I added a third color. So this is going to turn out to be a 3-color, but so I just already applied a layer of the white just to kind of backdrop it and offset it. Let's see how it looks. Now you have to remember that this one is a warm peel. I was able to place it like this to kind of offset that, give it a whole different look. So let's press it and see how it comes out. Peel this is a wrap. It's a little stuck. Take your time with it sometimes if it's stuck like this. Just take our time with it. And this is warm. There's a difference between hot peel and warm peel. So definitely learn the difference. And that's going to be it. Just another quick one this time. It was 2 colors, started out 2 color, turned into a 3, but quick little onesie for Caleb, 3-color onesie, layering, HTV flock, you know what I'm saying, from Amazon. Everything here you can see as used from Amazon. So, yeah.